Want to sound smarter in English without sounding like a textbook? Here are five powerful words that will instantly level up your conversations. Number one, nuance. Nuance means a subtle difference, subtle distinction, or detail that makes a difference. There is a nuance between hear and listen. You hear the sounds, but you listen when you pay attention. Number two, pragmatic. Pragmatic means practical, realistic, and sensible. Try this. She took a pragmatic approach to solving the budget crisis. Number three, articulate. Articulate means to express something clearly. She articulated her point beautifully. Number four, contextualize. Contextualize means placing something in a proper setting so that people understand something better. For example, we need to contextualize this data within the current educational policy. Number five, catalyst. Catalyst means something that sparks change. Use it like this. This workshop was a catalyst for innovation. Try using these words this week and watch your English evolve. Follow Skillbridge by Naveen for more smart, simple language tips.